Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about your request to review our collision repair shop partners. I understand your desire to view a list of GDM's local partner repair shops and their customer reviews. However, GDM is unable to provide a static list of repair shops without an eligible event. I will summarize the reason for this. GDM has partnered with 3 national managed repair networks, Innovation Group, ServiceUp, and CrashBay. As GDM is new to the market, we decided to partner with these managed repair networks to gain immediate access to established programs, granting us scalability and ensuring the most comprehensive geographic coverage as possible across the U.S. All 3 providers ensure that their shops maintain the highest quality standards, technical expertise, and equipment to service our members and to restore their vehicles to pre-loss condition. This is why all of the repairs through our repair network partners have a lifetime guarantee. The number of shops that participate in these networks is fluid and can change daily. For example, several new shops can be added in a growing market, and maybe a few shops have elected to exit the program or are removed as they no longer are meeting the quality standards required of the program. Therefore, GDM cannot provide a static list, but rather can review a list of our local partner shops with the member who has experienced an eligible event. We will ensure that the shop selected has the ability to conduct the repairs to that specific vehicle, and that the shop has the capacity to start the repairs in a timely manner. The member is welcome to conduct an internet search on the local partner shops to read any Yelp or CarWise reviews. Rest assured, even though GDM cannot post online or send out shop lists, we ensure that you will have access to the highest caliber shops to provide quality, guaranteed repairs. In a future state, members may be able to view the local partner shops within the GDM app when they are submitting a request for sharing due to an incident. Our mutuality operation team is available to discuss our repair shop partners at any time. Thank you for your commitment to the GDM family.